Welcome to SpaceX, the vanguard of aerospace innovation located in the vibrant heart of California. You are about to embark on an exclusive tour behind the scenes at one of the most exhilarating places on Earth, where the future of space travel is forged daily. Here, a team of engineers and visionary thinkers continually push the boundaries of possibility, advancing our celestial journey. Witness the meticulous assembly of monumental rockets, the rigorous testing each component must endure, and the thrilling preparations that lead up to each launch, marking our path to the stars. This narrative unfolds around the remarkable feats of engineering you will witness, helping you understand not only the complexities involved in rocket science, but also the passion and perseverance required to transcend our earthly limitations. From the initial sketches to the breathtaking moment of liftoff, every step is a masterclass in precision, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Join us as we start this journey at the point where raw materials transition into vessels destined to explore the cosmos, and design challenges lead to groundbreaking advancements in interplanetary travel. Step into the world of SpaceX's rocket assembly, a place where every minuscule component plays a pivotal role. Watch the teamwork and ingenuity that drive the emergence of cutting-edge solutions, and feel the rising anticipation as the rocket sections come together, poised for the ultimate test of science and human ingenuity. Throughout your visit, you will meet the challenges that arise when stretching the limits of technology, and witness the problem-solving skills critical for ensuring safe, reliable travel to orbit. With each test and trial, we edge closer to perfection, pushing the boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood. This documentary encapsulates the essence of SpaceX's innovative culture and the technological prowess nestled within these facilities. As we guide you through intense preparations and the climactic countdown, we invite everyone from engineers and technicians to dreamers of the stars to delve into the spirit of discovery that propels us beyond the blue skies. Our journey continues from the foundation up, beginning with the delivery of high-quality materials vital for constructing the next generation of rockets. Each delivery isn't just a transfer of goods, it's the initial step towards reaching the stars. The precision reflected in each unloading operation epitomizes SpaceX's standards throughout its manufacturing lifecycle. This orchestrated endeavor marks the beginning of missions that meld human ingenuity with the cosmos. As materials are offloaded and inspected for quality, we recognize their essential role in building reliable spacecraft. These components, destined to endure the harsh environment of space, are the unsung heroes of space exploration, the aluminum, composites, and intricate electronics that will navigate the cosmos. Today's delivery paves the way for the intricate engineering dance to follow, involving sophisticated planning, design, and rigorous testing. Each material is a foundational block upon which our aspirations and capabilities build. Witness the transformation of these materials into marvels of engineering, reminding us of the power of human creativity. The meticulous attention to detail today ensures the success of tomorrow's launch, exemplifying a commitment to engineering excellence. Stay tuned as we progress into the next stage of our odyssey in the blueprint stage, where theoretical precision and creativity converge, crafting the machinery that will carry us into new frontiers. Meet the brilliant minds at SpaceX, where our aspirations stretch far into the cosmos. Our engineers, the architects of tomorrow, gather around detailed blueprints and vibrant displays, beginning the meticulous task of transforming concepts into tangible, groundbreaking technology. Let's explore the genesis of these engineering marvels. Every line and curve in our designs is orchestrated with precision. The design process involves intense discussions where theoretical physics meets bold creativity. Within these debates, potential issues are identified and inventive solutions are born. Operating under a philosophy of absolute precision, each component and every system is methodically planned and optimized at this stage. Why such detailed attention? Because the margin for error is virtually non-existent. This initial conceptual phase lays a solid foundation for every subsequent phase, ensuring that our designs meet exacting specifications. Our engineers leverage advanced software and draw from a reservoir of collective experience to enhance their designs, infusing each blueprint with a shared ambition to push technological and exploratory boundaries. As we watch these experts finalize each design, we segue into the next phase where these plans transition from paper to reality. Observe as cutting-edge machines begin shaping raw materials into the intricate components of our rockets. Witness the transformation from concept to creation, an awe-inspiring demonstration of precision and dedication. As we trace the path of innovation within SpaceX, the next chapter reveals the fusion of precision machinery and raw ambition. Here in the manufacturing area, sophisticated machines transform metal into the future of space travel. Precision is our baseline. These machines, operated by the industry's finest, produce components tuned to meet the stringent demands of space travel. Every spark and turn of machinery is part of a larger endeavor, crafting parts engineered to perfection. This stage is a ballet of technology, where digital tools and physical artistry create components with unmatched accuracy. Each part, essential to the mission's success, plays a critical role in the architectural symphony that leads to a rocket's launch. It is here that the spirit of collaboration is most evident. Teams of technicians ensure each creation reflects SpaceX's legacy of quality. Their expertise ensures that even the smallest components meet our uncompromising standards. As each component reaches completion, it prepares to join others in the monumental task of assembly. The journey of each part is pivotal, forming a step in the staircase that leads us to the stars. With each manufactured piece, we draw closer to the next great leap in space exploration. Stay with us as these components are meticulously pieced together in preparation for the ultimate test of launch, showcasing the culmination of unparalleled precision and teamwork. Step into the heart of SpaceX's assembly line, where precision engineering and purpose converge into the form of pioneering rockets. Each component is not just a part of a larger whole, but a pivotal promise of reaching new heights. Witness a team of skilled technicians, experts in their craft, working harmoniously to bring the dreams of tomorrow into reality. As each rivet is secured and panel attached, consider the journey that has brought each component here, reflecting a commitment to excellence and intricate craftsmanship. The assembly process is a testament to SpaceX's core values: precision, collaboration, and innovation. Watch as major sections of rockets are meticulously joined, symbolizing the fusion of human ambition with technological mastery. Here, the theoretical becomes tangible, and meticulously laid plans materialize into existence. With each segment securely assembled, the story of challenges faced and overcome enriches the narrative. This segment not only builds rockets, but also exemplifies the spirit of continuous improvement and collective endeavor that propels SpaceX forward. As we conclude this assembly stage, the narrative progresses to the rigorous testing phase. Join us in exploring how each component, system, and assembly is validated under stringent conditions, ensuring readiness for the extraordinary demands of space exploration. These next steps are crucial in our relentless pursuit of perfection and safety. In the realm of space exploration at SpaceX, perfection is not an aspiration but a fundamental requirement. Transitioning from assembly to testing, our journey of relentless precision and dedication continues. Each component, regardless of its size or function, undergoes rigorous testing to affirm its flawless operation. Envision each piece undergoing intensive scrutiny, where theoretical designs meet the stern truths of physics. Here, the emphasis on safety and reliability is unparalleled, underpinning every test to ensure the integrity of our spacecraft. Our testing protocols are meticulously designed to confirm excellence. Teams of engineers and technicians employ advanced testing methodologies to validate each component's endurance and performance. The anticipation during these tests is palpable, driven by a commitment to prove, not just presume, their resilience. This phase is a profound affirmation of SpaceX's ethos, highlighting our unwavering commitment to the safety and efficacy of each mission. The insights gained here are crucial, enhancing our understanding and refining our approach to space travel. Witness the trust and confidence being built with each successful test, as we prepare for the final stages before launch. The integrity of our rockets, affirmed by thorough testing, sets the stage for the climactic moment of liftoff. Stay with us as we proceed to the pre-launch preparations. where meticulous attention to detail and coordinated efforts bring us closer to another landmark achievement in space exploration. At SpaceX, innovation is continuously at work, guiding us through the most daunting challenges and fostering unprecedented breakthroughs. In this segment, we uncover how our teams respond with agility and collaborative genius to unexpected hurdles, maintaining the momentum of progress. Consider the intricate dance of assembly and design, occasionally disrupted by unforeseen technical anomalies. Each obstacle presents an opportunity for creativity and resilience, highlighting the dynamic spirit of our teams. These moments of challenge light the fires of problem solving, where collective minds converge in pursuit of innovative solutions. Our rigorous testing protocols, designed to uncover any inconsistencies, support this continuous improvement process. Each discovery, rather than posing a setback, propels us toward enhancements that refine both the design and functionality of our rockets. The collaboration across departments, from design to logistics, ensures swift resolution, keeping our mission timelines on target and our ambitions within sight. It's a testament to the multidisciplinary expertise and unyielding determination that characterizes SpaceX. As we resolve each challenge, we don't just overcome obstacles, we advance our capabilities, turning potential setbacks into catalysts for innovation. Join us as we move toward the final preparations for launch. Here, the synthesis of precision, dedication, and anticipation sets the stage for the ultimate test, the launch itself, where every component, system, and individual must perform flawlessly. As the launch day approaches, a palpable sense of anticipation permeates SpaceX. Each team member performs final checks with meticulous care, understanding the profound significance of the upcoming event. This is final preparations, where months of hard work and precision culminate. Delve into the final assembly checks, not merely focusing on technical details, but also embodying the dreams of countless individuals committed to this venture. These last moments before launch highlight our dedication to safety and innovation, ensuring every component functions seamlessly together. The human element is crucial at this juncture. Comprehensive briefings reinforce the importance of each role, enhancing the collective focus necessary for success. This coordination exemplifies the fusion of expertise and dedication that drives our mission. This stage is where simulations become reality, where the awe-inspiring capabilities of rocket science are put to the final test. It's a demonstration of our culture, braving the unknown with precision and teamwork. Each check enhances the chorus of preparation, setting the stage for a monumental leap in space exploration. As the countdown nears, join us. The excitement builds to the climactic moment of liftoff, a celebration of human ingenuity and technological prowess, marking another significant milestone in our quest to explore beyond. Each moment at SpaceX propels us towards milestones that resonate throughout history. Today marks the crescendo of our efforts, the launch that begins with detailed blueprints and culminates in a marvel of engineering soaring into the skies. This journey is about more than launching a rocket. It's a celebration of human tenacity and a relentless drive to push boundaries. The final countdown harmonizes the entire team, each member linked by shared dedication. The palpable anticipation at T-10 seconds embodies the collective effort and commitment that define SpaceX. As the rocket ascends, its powerful surge upward is a display of not just technical precision but also the realization of dreams nurtured by hard work and innovation. This ascent carries more than physical payloads, it carries our aspirations, the dreams of all who aspire to explore the cosmos. This launch is not just an achievement, it's a bold progression in our ongoing journey. It reaffirms our commitment to exploring and understanding space, pushing us to continually challenge the limits of what's possible. As the rocket reaches the peak of its journey and cheers fill the air, remember, this is not the end, but a brilliant new beginning. The pathway to the stars remains open, inviting us to dream bigger and reach further. Stay tuned as we continue to explore, innovate, and inspire, bringing the stars within our grasp. The journey with SpaceX continues, ever pushing the boundaries and expanding our horizons. As our journey through SpaceX's innovations nears its close, we reflect not only on the achievements of today but on the boundless possibilities of tomorrow. SpaceX stands not just at the forefront of aerospace innovation, but as a beacon of visionary pursuit, repeatedly transcending the known limits of space exploration. Each successful launch symbolizes our collective evolution and the continuous expansion of our goals. Looking forward, SpaceX is poised for further groundbreaking missions, including ventures to Mars aimed at establishing human presence and enhancing planetary sustainability. Our commitment extends beyond exploration. It encompasses a dedication to advancing global communication and navigating the challenges of space with innovative satellite technologies. Through these endeavors, we redefine the boundaries of possibility, providing solutions from beyond our world. We remain committed to fostering education and collaboration, ensuring that the next generation of engineers and explorers is inspired and empowered. By maintaining strong partnerships with academic and technological leaders, SpaceX will continue to lead in space innovation and educational empowerment. As we move forward, embracing the challenges of tomorrow, we invite you to join us on this extraordinary journey. Continue to engage with us, fueling our endeavors with your passion and curiosity. Together, let's reach for the stars, innovate, and uncover the limitless opportunities that lie ahead in our shared cosmic future. Thank you for being part of this journey at SpaceX, where each day is a pursuit towards new horizons and every challenge a chance to exceed our own limits. The adventure continues, promising new milestones and an ever-expanding view of what we can achieve together in the cosmos.